Hello everyone, I'm Bonita, a digital marketing consultant, and today I want to introduce you to something that can truly change the way you approach building an income online. It's called the Legacy Builder Program, and let me tell you, this isn't just another course you'll forget about in 3 days. It's an interactive, step-by-step system designed to help you go from feeling stuck or burnt out to building passive income and creating long-term, sustainable success. Let's be real, no one here woke up this morning saying, I want to waste more time trying to figure this all out on my own. You're here because you want clarity, you want results, and most importantly, you want a system that works for you, even when you're not online 24/7. Now here's the difference with Legacy Builder. This is not just information. This is implementation. You'll learn exactly how to build an automated business system from scratch that consistently attracts leads, nurtures them through a proven email sequence, and converts them into paying customers. Inside the program, I walk you through how to earn up to $900 per day in passive income by building the foundation that every successful online business needs: an audience, an offer, and automation. We'll launch your business, help you start profiting within 7 days, and identify your ideal customer so you can stop chasing people and start attracting the right ones. And I'll even show you what that looks like in real time. You'll create your own automated pages just like the ones I use that work for you around the clock. While you're living your life, your business will be doing the heavy lifting. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels, if you're ready for consistent income instead of constant hustle, and if you want to build something that lasts, the Legacy Builder program is exactly what you've been waiting for. And before you make any decisions, I've prepared a full demo so you can see exactly how the system works from the inside. Watch the demo I've prepared for you. It'll answer your questions, spark new ideas, and help you see what's really possible when you have the right tools and support. Let's build your digital legacy together.
This is so funny. Oh, here it is. It takes you to your website, right? And this is what people, you guys, I want you to think about this. You don't have to go find a customer. You don't got to follow up with a customer. You don't got to answer any questions. You don't got to DM people. This system is constantly out there working for you, doing all the work. And at any time when somebody is going through this, they can buy from you. But I want to share with you what you're going to get inside of this, okay? And what exactly it all can do for you, because that's one of the most important things. And this is what I've discovered in my journey with making an income online. Is when I started, you guys, I had no process. I had no structure. I had no idea what to do. And I was floundering out there. I was searching, I was Googling. I thought the more YouTube videos I would watch, the more money I would make, right? Or the more I could figure out how to make money. All it did is confuse me. I felt like I had a bunch of jigsaw puzzle pieces inside my head. I couldn't connect the dots. And so I discovered a process that walked me through step by step, right? But what was missing in that process was no community. And I was by myself. Right. And I was in my office by myself. And, it's easy to get distracted. It's easy to get unmotivated, right? Mostly when your day doesn't go as well. And there was no way to really discover who is my perfect customer? Why is that important? And so for the last 18 and a half months, I've been really paying attention to all of the questions that have ever been asked, not only from my customers, but from my potential customers. And that's why I created that Legacy Builder program to help you guys. Are you ready for this? To help you literally launch your business, learn how to go from launch to profit in 7 days, and learn how to master this 2-hour workday so you can learn how to make passive daily paying income. You guys, I have literally been making an income every single day since the end of October of 2022. And as a mom of 6 kids and 5 grandchildren, that's a breath of fresh air. Knowing every single day I'm going to get that ding. And now it's multiple dings a day. And you know what's great? You know what the difference of me today and me back then is? My email list is bigger. I'm still spending the exact same amount of time creating content that I did 18 months ago. Would you ready for this? And this is what I'm going to help you master. When I first started, I would spend 30, let me kind of show you this as well, 30 minutes a day, copy and paste in free ads, right? And you're going to see down here where you are going to learn that. You are going to learn all of this. I would spend 30 minutes a day copy and pasting free ads to high traffic websites. You guys, by the way, that's an introvert's dream come true. Copy, paste, post, copy, paste, post. I built my email list, built my YouTube channel, and I'm going to cover that here in a minute. But it also got me customers. And so, why it built my YouTube channel is because I put a YouTube video in it. You guys, when you get involved with the Legacy Builder program, we have a testimonial page full of testimonials and full of videos that you can use for your YouTube. So, yes, you can build your own YouTube channel without you ever even having to create a video. So I would spend 30 minutes a day doing that. And then I set up my TikTok, right? And I started learning how to grow my following and grow my customers using TikTok. All platforms work or we wouldn't have them in here, right? And then I started learning how to do a MMR method, which is be able to promote other people's products and make 100% profit, which was literally a breath of fresh air because that means I didn't have to go find my own product to promote and make a small percent. I can make 100% profit. And then I learned how to find my perfect customer. This is a step that you're going to learn, right? You're going to learn step by step everything you need to literally go from I don't even know what I'm doing to making daily pay. So 30 minutes copy and pasting free ads. And then I would literally spend 1 hour creating 3 pieces of content. I chose TikTok as that platform. That was what I did an hour and a half every single day. My last 30 minutes was responding to what's called a CTA, which is a call to action. Copy, paste, post. That's all I did. Guys, I made 7,000 my first month doing that, 14,000 my second month, 22 my third. And then I made 31,000 my fourth month. And I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months by following this process. And you guys, what I love about it is we have, I think, 5 or 6 people now that have hit 6 figures following this exact same process. And then we've taken it another layer because I'm like, you know what? Why not create a reoccurring income stream? You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream? I was able to build that through my email list. You guys, I now have 13 income streams online and I only promote 4. The other 10 are 100% through social media because I monetize on YouTube and I monetize on TikTok. But the other 8 are 100% through my email list. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to add more income streams, but no more time to create them. That's what you're going to learn. That's actually part of the digital mastery program. You're going to learn that. You're going to learn how to be an affiliate for other products through your email list, right? Because once you build the email list, why not promote other products? You're going to learn how to build a wildly successful email list. Now, we're going to start leaving that legacy for your family. I'm going to show you how to even create your own product, your own program, your own community, your own course. So you can have other incomes as well. So you can leave a legacy for your family. So you can change generational wealth. And I'm going to show you how to do this while you're earning an income. Matter of fact, I'm going to get you to 6 figures and then show you how to start doing this. So you have more time to do the things that you love. Then I'm going to show you how to scale your business, how to hire people so you have more time. You guys are going to love it because you think the more money I make, the more time I'm going to have to spend. I'm going to show you, my friend, how it's exact opposite of that. You're going to absolutely love this. And what I'm really excited about is introducing you to this passive revenue freedom machine where I'm going to show you how to be having a passive revenue freedom machine out there working for you 24/7. It's going to add a completely different layer onto the way you build on social media today. You're absolutely going to love it. This is literally going to change your life. This right here, you guys, we might even pull it apart and allow you, if you're in the Legacy Builder program, to allow you to sell that as an additional product. And we'll probably sell it for several $1,000s when you see what it will do. Completely life changing. Yes, This legacy builder program is not only going to allow you to be able to create a legacy, but it's going to allow you, we're going to be pulling some of these out and allowing you guys to be able to sell them. I'm adding more income streams inside of the legacy builder for you. So right now you have 4, but what if you can have 7 this year off of products you didn't even create? What if one of them are a high ticket product? You got
All right, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. If you're still watching, I know one thing about you: you're serious about building something that lasts. Whether you're tired of burnout, ready to pivot into passive income, or just want a system that actually works without the overwhelm, the Legacy Builder program is for you. It's not just another course. It is a step-by-step interactive experience designed to guide you from launch to profit, even if you race starting from scratch. But here's what I really want you to take away: you don't have to do this alone. That's why I created this program, to remove the guesswork and give you a roadmap that works. You'll learn how to attract the right people, automate your systems, and finally start earning consistently. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a result of the right strategy, the right tools, and consistent action. And I'll walk with you through every step of it. Now, here's what to do next. Click the link in my bio and check out the full demo I prepared for you. It'll walk you through how the Legacy Builder works and what you can expect when you join. And here's the best part: when you purchase the program using my link, I'm giving you an exclusive bonus to help you get results even faster. I'm talking done for you templates, swipe files, and a bonus mini training to help you implement everything quickly and with clarity. But it's only available through my link, so don't miss that. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video, follow me for more tips and trainings, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. You never know who's stuck right now and could use a roadmap like this. You've got what it takes, you just need the system. I believe in you, and I'm excited to see what you build. Now go hit that link, grab your spot, and let's build your legacy together.